Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Natalie, but today Okay, sorry guys, but anyways, we're walking through this tunnel right now, and we are hiking down at Torrey Pines Beach, and it's just a beach day, so if you guys are new here, please subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and leave a like if you guys like this video. And without further ado, let's get on with the video.
Okay, so we are hiking. Okay, so we are hiking in San Diego at Torrey Pines State Reserve. There's so many hiking trails here. Completed the first trail.
We have made it. Oh yes! You should subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm not playing. Okay, so we just got to this point of the trail.
There's yellow jacket.
When we run from bees. No, just go. Okay, ready, set, go, go, go.
There was one right in front of me.
We just ran through. Oh! That's a blackjack. I don't know. And it's Indiana Jones music We made it out alive. Like, oh, ow. Oh.
Can I put my hydro in your backpack? It's banged on my knee like 4 times and we're running.
Okay.
In your backpack.
Okay, go for it. Butterfly. Did I miss some hair?
No.
I don't think so.
Bro, keep your hair up. I can't get it up. Hold on, let me get the other side. Okay, there we go. Okay, it's good.
Okay, bye guys.
I'm enjoying it. I want Cash and Cruzy to come down here. They're so fun.
People are shooting up there, and it's one of Jenna's friends.
Wow. It's kind of skinny, isn't it? It's probably like the most venomous here.
Just exists out here. It's just like, hey, what's good?
Oh my god, I'm gonna freak out.
So the truest viewers will know this, but I absolutely hate snakes, and we just saw one.
It wasn't on the trail, but it was like on rocks kind of in the distance. But it looked like very poisonous, so.
I don't know any types of snakes. All I know is I'm just scared of them. Oh, just put this over my face. Oh, hell no. Oh, go, 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 go. I'm also technically allergic to bees. So, yeah. That's basically our whole entire tea time story. Hopefully that snake doesn't come over here, because I ain't about that. Jenna, walk through.
Dude, shut up. just run.
Okay, so basically, let me just explain this to you real quick. I have no clue where Jenna is. 1, 2, she didn't follow me the same way. So, I lost my friend. And why didn't? She said that she was gonna go the other way, but the other way was not the same way as me because she was scared of all the bees. So now I don't know where she is. I'm literally like looking from a high point up and I see her nowhere. So I'm a little bit stressed out, but I will let you guys know if we get back to each other. If I find her, so like that. I'm just like tired of driving. Just don't look at the bees coming through the front. Okay, bye.
So basically right here, me and Jenna finally got service. And I was able to reach her by FaceTime, and we were basically showing each other where we were in this clip and trying to find each other, but all the paths looked the same, so we were just kind of lost. I don't know. Yeah, that's basically what's going on in this FaceTime, so keep watching.
Look, she's running. Do you see her, Chris? Alright, so right now we are walking back to the ocean so that we can go eat our lunch, and then we are going to go in the ocean. Oh, sorry. And then we're probably gonna tan, but I mean, that's the usual. Yep.
We're going straight downhill.
So it's
And-
like a lot of pressure.
It's so tiring, like walking downhill like this.
Yeah, because I feel like you try so hard to like brace yourself, because like if you go downhill, the natural is to like get level perpendicular with the floor, which would mean you would start running, but like you're kind of like leaning back to stop yourself from doing that, and it's just tiring. So we just got to the beach right now. My sister and her friend Emily are down in the water. Hold on, guys. Hold on, dudes. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Scary. I'm going down there. Actually, I can put my stuff like to the side. Okay, so we just got done in the ocean. It was beautiful. And the water
crystal clear.
Yeah, the water was like crystal clear, which was super nice. And we're just gonna be chilling out, tanning, and then we'll probably go in like one more time, depending on how long we
should rate all the beaches
tan
we've
for.
been
Okay, so what was the first one that we went to?
to. Moonlight.
Okay, so Moonlight. I give that like a 5, 6.
I'm gonna give it a 6 because the reason it gets 4 points off. First of all, it was very cold that day. Like, it wasn't good weather, and it was super chilly at that beach.
It just wasn't a good day.
I know it's a really popular beach, but there was a good ice cream shop up the street, and the waves were really good. They had pretty good waves. Like, it was just really cold, so I didn't really enjoy it.
Yeah.
And Tamarack.
Okay, Tamarack. Oh no, didn't we go to La Jolla?
Not yet.
Tamarack.
Oh,
I
okay.
gave Tamarack an 8
No,
out of
we
10.
went to that other one. We went to Moonlight, and then we went to one, and then we went to Tamarack, right?
I think our end of summer.
And then Tamarack, I'll rate that an 8. I think that's a
giving it an
really
8.
good place that, like, if you surf a lot, I feel like you should go there.
The beach.
The weather was pretty nice. The beach itself was cool, and I think that
the sand, it was nice. It wasn't really rocky.
it was super squishy. It felt kind of like a stingray, so like
Yeah.
you could maybe get mistaken. But it's also like if you have a big group of friends, that's a fun place to go.
And then this beach,
Torrey
I'm giving it
Pines.
a 10 out of 10. I'm giving it 10 out of 10. The hike was beautiful.
Oh yeah, I didn't even take in consideration the hike. I'll give it a 10 out of 10.
The hike is beautiful. The water is beautiful. It's not super crowded. The weather right now is so nice.
I grew up like
The weather.
I grew
for
up
this beach where the
at this
weather's
beach
perfect.
like when I was a kid
water
for a long
crystal.
time with a lot of my friends.
super crowded.
The sand's nice, and then in the ocean it's even better. It's like crystal clear. You can see the bottom of the floor, which is amazing. So that's really cool. But yeah, that's like all the beaches that we've gone to. So we just got done boogie boarding and swimming, And that's about it. We met these two girls named Addie and Lizzie.
Let's just go with Lizzie.
Okay. Oh my god. Well, we met them and they were super sweet, and they did this Australian accent and they really got us with it.
They're from Sacramento.
But yeah, they were from Sacramento and they were super sweet. So if you guys ever see this vlog, my Instagram is Natalie Bednars, so go ahead and follow that and we can talk and maybe link up sometime. I don't know. We're just gonna tan for the rest of the time and we're gonna be on our way home soon. So we are on our way home right now. It is 4:46. And we just had a really good day at the beach. It was super sunny, super nice. And we are going to go ahead and get some Raising Cane's and then watch some Big Brother with Jenna's family. And then Emily has practice for soccer. So we have officially made it home and the day was a huge success. It was so much fun. Make sure to go follow Grom Jewelry. And now I'm just gonna go take a shower and that's about it. So thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube video. If you guys liked it, please leave a like. If you guys didn't, don't do anything at all. And I will see you guys the next time I film. Peace.